the tablet if I want, I could put on YouTube on the TV, so I could see me after the fact, but that wouldn't be a good idea. Tablet if I want, I could put on YouTube on the TV, so I could see me after the fact, yeah, but that wouldn't be a good idea. Look this. So I could watch me live. I could watch me live. Put on the TV and put me on live there.
No, we could see it on the phone.
It's too small on the phone. Put on the TV and hurry up. I start already.
It's not very. Sydney, I didn't.
Timmy, that's on the phone. Who's that?
You do too.
And who's that voice even? Who calls that? Who's that voice?
Let me see your scissor. So French down.
I am I.
They want to
Yes. In. That. Who's the person that was like felon? Girl. Who's the person that's talking there?
That's you won't get it.
She's that man. Yes.
Don't forget this. John. ER.
The cheetah going so.
ER.
What? 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 Cheetah going so.
Baby.
What's what's up? Wait, that one.
Yeah, the one. Amino acid.
Where?
What's what's up? Wait, that one.
Cut off. Cut off.
What's what's up? Wait, that one. What's what's up? Wait, that one.
Are you in?
What? I can get. What?
Are you in?
What? I can get. Oh, mine is keeping the TV. Who keeps calling me? Mine is keeping the
So this first part there,
What?
Manicus, you have to bring it, mute the TV from making noise. It's not a watch. Manicus, you have to bring it. Mute, give me the remote control. And if you don't know where the mute button is. Manicus, you have to
How is it copying you?
Right. So this is chlorophyll, which is the green parts that is found where? In the leaf of a plant. So human beings have red blood and plants have what? Green chlorophyll. You see there? Look at it on the screen. So that is the blood of a plant is called chlorophyll. It's what color? And what is the color? And the human beings have red blood. What is the color? Of the human being or the animal. The reason why, because read what you see on screen. The light energy captured by chlorophyll is transferred to adenosine triphosphate and NADPH. So when the sun shines on a plant, because it has the green chlorophyll, it could convert certain particles into something called ATP. In our body, we do not capture light and convert it to energy. We also make ATP. We do the same thing. We both have to make ATP because ATP is called energy, adenosine triphosphate. So the first thing the plants do, Sydney, if that is the case, you need to get something to clean your nose. If what is happening in the day, the light of the sun is being converted into stored energy called ATP and NADPH in a plant. So the light is being trapped and being made into adenosine triphosphate by the chlorophyll of the plant. Now, in the day, that process is happening with water, and they are splitting water, and oxygen is being given off. That is how plants make oxygen for human beings. They take the energy and they split water into two parts. Water is H what? H2O. Man, these are things you should know already.
Yeah, no.
Water is H2O. So when water is H2O, water is H2 hydrogen and one oxygen. That is water. And in the day, what is happening? The chlorophyll stores energy and the energy comes and it splits the water right here. So you have H's and you have O's and then another O from another H comes. So you have O2. What is O2? Oxygen. So O2 is oxygen, which is what we take into our nose and we breathe in oxygen because we need oxygen. So that is how the plant makes oxygen for us. If what?
If we don't have oxygen, we will die.
Yeah, if we don't get oxygen, we will die. But who's making the oxygen?
Plants.
The plants are making the oxygen. Sydney, what happened?
What?
So where does the oxygen come from?
Plants.
No. I am not listening. The oxygen comes from the plant splitting what?
Say plants. Say plants.
The oxygen coming from.
The oxygen is coming from water. When the plant takes energy, it's splitting the water molecule right here. Ashwara, are you taking out this piece?
Is it coming from the plant?
If you take out this and this and this and another one like that, and you're getting O2, they go and join and they're making O2. The plant is only splitting out the water to make hydrogen and oxygen. Now, where in this house do we see this happening? Sydney, sit up, please. Where in this house, in my house, do we see the same thing happening? If the plant splits and it makes oxygen, what else is being made? What is the name of this one? This one here, how you call this one? H. What is this?
Hydrogen.
The smallest molecule in the world is called
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. So in this whole thing here, ATP is split in water to make oxygen and hydrogen. These two things are called?
H2O.
No, they are called?
Gas.
They are called gas. You have hydrogen gas and you have oxygen gas. So where do you see this happening in this house?
The machines.
Which machine? The hydrogen gas machine is doing exactly that. What is the hydrogen gas machine doing, man?
Hydrogen gas in water.
I don't put hydrogen gas in the water, so stop thinking. What do you put in the hydrogen gas machine?
Still water.
Distilled water is water, but they just make sure that it's pure. So pure water would be H2O. We put it in the hydrogen gas machine, and then there is a special plate that heats up when the electricity passes through. And what does it do? It puts out oxygen gas on the one side, and it puts out hydrogen gas on the other side.
So what am I supposed to do?
That's the plate. That's the hydrogen machine.
That TV is laggy.
So what we are getting in the room, we are doing the exact thing as what the plants does do in the day with the hydrogen gas. That is why I think it is very important that you start drinking hydrogen water every day. Now let's continue looking at the video. Sydney, you need to stop that, and I'll tell you that. So look at the second step now.
Sorry, imagine.
The dark. What?
So now in the night, it cannot have light. That is have to be done in the night. So in the night, the energy of the plant, which is called the ATP, waits for carbon dioxide to come in. So we know that plants are using carbon dioxide a lot in the night. And it's also using H2O. What is H2O? Water. So it's using carbon dioxide and water in the night, and it's putting them together, combining them to make something called glucose. So it's combining CO2 plus H2O to make glucose. Glucose is what? Our sugar. So when you speak about glucose, you're speaking about the monosaccharide or the sugar of the body, the sugar that we need. That's the sugar we just eat. So that is how the plant makes its sugar that we just get from the plant. It combines carbon dioxide and water. That is why plants are important, because they take the carbon dioxide. Who breathes out carbon dioxide? Human beings and animals. We breathe out carbon dioxide, but once there is carbon dioxide and once there is water for a plant, what does the plant do with it? Bring them together. And when you bring them together, you join them together because it has energy to join them. You join them with special energy, ATP. And what happens? Glucose is formed. And glucose is formed. So the plant does two things. In the day, the plants, what the plants does, the plants make energy for itself, but the plant also in the day the plant in the day makes energy, but it also in the day converts a lot of what we are speaking about. What is going on here?
What? Are you doing that? Why are you doing that?
I don't know.
We are on TikTok.
I lose control. Let me kill the screen share. I'm ending screen share. Stop. Stop.
No. This one. Nope.
Oh my god. This thing is stuck. I can't even scroll.
Sorry, I think they can have it. But shut up, please. No, we are going to click into the stock and we are going to Microsoft Edges. After we are going to WordPress service.
Nothing no working now.
That is this one. Yours? Because of this. I'm sorry, man. You have to. Dad, can you use your other computer?
Well, I want to do about that.
Wait a minute, the other computer.
Alright, you wait still, eh? But don't do that. I will watch it. Don't call from the mountain. Right.
Sorry, man.
No, they should be back in the business.
What happened back in the day?
So let me put up my PowerPoint because this
I think I could work on PowerPoint because it's a lag and next question.
Hello, Jesus. Say hello, Jesus. Get it to understand amino acids in well.
Oh. I think you learn it.
you cut off.
Yeah, right.
Maybe not bad. That's it.
I'm going to cut off. Well,
I guess we read that book. Wait, what else happened?
yeah, I'm gonna play PUBG.
What?
Yeah. No, radio spectating. Start getting on. I mean, the technology.